Hey, welcome back. So I'm going to share a little bit more about our enrollment incentive that we have with 31 this March. So I want you to think about what it is that has piqued your interest about 31. Is it about making some extra money? Is it about having something for you, just doing something fun, having a little part of our sisterhood with 31? Maybe you just love the products. You just want to know everything. You want to shop for yourself. You want to share with your family. You just love it all. Or maybe you want a way to be able to give back. Whatever that reason may be, 31 might be a fit for you. I always love to say, like, what's the best that could happen? With 31, what is the best? Think about the best thing. Think about the best case scenario. What is your ultimate goal? It's important when you are thinking about enrolling is, what is your goal? Like, what do you want to do? For me, when I enrolled 10 years ago, I loved the products. That is what drew me in, but I wanted to make some extra money. I wanted to take my son to Disney World, and I needed some extra way to be able to do that. And so that goal, that why, drove me to do something to make it happen. So whatever that goal may be for you, I'm happy to talk with you about it, talk you through it, and we can come up with a plan of how you're going to achieve that goal. So you can definitely talk to, if you have a 31 consultant already, you can definitely talk to her. If you do not have a 31 consultant that you work with, I'd love to chat with you, answer your questions before you enroll, and we can definitely get you started. So in the month of March, we have our all day, everyday enrollment kits, right? We have that $69 kit. We have the two different $99 kits, and then we have a $189 kit. So great kits. You get to choose your own prints in those. You get to, the items that come personalized. You get to choose your own personalization. Really fun. But in the month of March, you can actually enroll for free. Okay, so you can enroll for free and basically become a digital consultant just like that, okay? You'll have access to all of our trainings, all of our tools and everything immediately, just like any other consultant. You will have the same tools at your fingertips as all of us. But when you enroll for free, then you get 3 months of a free customer-facing website. So each consultant has an option to opt in or out of a customer-facing website. It is at regular price, it's $16.95 a month. But if you are sharing shopping links, if you are an online consultant or you're doing online parties, like, this is your lifeline. That customer-facing website is your lifeline, okay? So it's super important for me because I'm an online consultant, so I have to have that, and I write it off on my taxes, and that's a whole other ball game there. But just know that when you enroll for free, you get 3 months of a free customer-facing website, which is really cool, okay? Also, something that's really great with this is that in your first 30 days, you have the ability to earn an enrollment kit for free. So you've joined for free and you can earn a kit for free. So if you submit $500 of personal volume or sales in your first 30 days, then you're going to earn that $69 kit, that Basic Bestsellers Kit, for free. Okay, if you submit $1,000 of personal volume sales in your first 30 days, you're going to earn that $99 on-the-go kit for free. And if you submit $2,000 in personal volume in your first 30 days, then you're going to earn that Ultimate Goal Getter Kit for free. Now, these kits will ship out at the end of your 30-day mark because we want to see how far you get in that 30 days. We don't want to, send it too quick when you've earned the next level. So you'll get that at the end of that kit at the end of your 30 days. Now, this is the curated kit. You won't get to choose your prints and your personalization. It will come shipped already to you because they already have them boxed up and ready to go. Now, we have an amazing new consultant program too. So you get to build upon the work that you have put in your first 30 days. We have a new consultant program called AMP Jumpstart. So that's where you can earn levels in your first 30 days and in your first 90 days. Okay, so consider this. You have joined for free, all right? You have a free website for 3 months, okay? So if you submit $300, okay, we're lowering that bar just a little bit from before. So if you submit $300 in your first 30 days, you are going to earn an insulated bucket tote for free. That's in your first 30 days. So you're almost to that $500 level and earning that $69 kit for free, okay? So say you get to that $500 level in your first 30 days. Not only are you going to earn that $69 enrollment kit for free, but you're also going to earn the travel case for free, plus 2 more months of a free website. So basically, if you enroll for free and you hit that $500 level in your first 30 days, you're basically getting 5 months of a free website, y'all. That's amazing, okay? The next level of our AMP Jumpstart is a $700 level. So if you submit $700 in your first 30 days, then you're going to earn that double zip storage tote, or double zip storage bin, I think, for free. Then at the $1,000 level, oh, and sorry, this is the first 30 days, and this below here is in your first 90 days, okay? But if you submit $1,000 in your first 90 days, then you get the Commuter backpack for free. At the, this is the $2,000 level, you get the, what is that called? The puffer blanket for free. And $3,000 in your first 90 days, you earn the large utility hanging luggage. So many things that you can build upon in your new consultant jumpstart period. So when you're earning your kit for free, you have to do that in your first 30 days. But these other products are in your first 90 days as a consultant. So I think that is such an amazing thing. Plus, as consultants, we are earning our monthly consultant product incentives. So it's where each month is a little bit different and each month is a different product as well. But if you submit a certain amount, whatever they say, a certain amount in the month, then you earn this for free. So let's see, in the month of January, we earned that, where is it? We earned this for free. This is that classic sling bag. In the month of February, we earned the boat tote for free. And in the month of March, we have you have to submit $500, and we're earning a solution set, a brand new solution set for free. We don't know what it is yet. It's products that are going to be launching in April. So we're earning in March, but the products that we are earning are going to launch in April. So that is really fun. Can't wait to see what we are earning. So anyways, so many things, and it's just a great way. There, if you join for the money, then if you earn these consultant incentives, you're actually earning commission, right? That 25% commission. If you're joining for the products, you can be your own hostess, do your launch party. You're the consultant, you're the hostess. I'll help you with your first launch party. And you're getting more products in your hands. And then if you attend trainings or Impact, which is our national conference, and have some of that girl time, if you're joining for something for you, that is definitely for you. So many things to think about. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. I'll link everything below so you can, in the description, so you can read more about that. So I hope you'll consider joining 31. Like I said, if you have a consultant that you work with, please chat with her and let her answer any questions that you have. If you're in the United States and you do not have a 31 consultant, I definitely want to be your girl. So I'll answer any questions and help you get started. So I hope that you have a wonderful day.